Welcome to Cooking for Baby and Me. Today's featured ingredient is turnips, and we'll be making turnip potato cakes and spicy turnips and greens. So these recipes sound great.
Yep, we have turnips.
Where should we start?
Challenging ingredient for children.
Well, but one that you're going to show us how to do it.
Yes,
Exactly.
Challenge accepted.
One of the first things that I wanted to say was that I always like when people say turnips, I like to think of what is called a rutabaga, which is a type of turnip.
Okay.
They're a lot sweeter. They have a lot more sort of a palatable flavor, especially for children. They're easy to use in recipes. They don't have that kind of acidic tartness, like a radish flavor of like a turnip. So I feel free to use either one of them interchangeably. I already have some blanched potatoes, Yukon Gold potatoes, and rutabagas that have been cooked very soft. Let's put a little tiny bit of stock in there just to get them going.
Okay.
And as soon as they start warming up, you can feel free to start mashing.
All righty,
Doctor,
I'm ready to mash.
Get in there and start mashing.
Okay.
Okay, and what do we have over here?
I love turkey sausage. It goes great with turnips. Turnips work really well with spicy, kind of bold flavored
I didn't know that.
So it's turkey sausage. There's onions. We started sauteing them together. Okay, we have some turnips that have already been diced and blanched again in salted water. Okay,
Same turnips like we're using here.
We're going to add them in, same exact ones, right. So this we're just sauteing together. We're going to put a little garlic in there.
And when you blanch the turnips, you're just peeling them and putting them in boiling water for about a minute or two.
Yep, I think you're good if you want to get a little more forceful.
All right, I
and
got to
really
put a little elbow in it. All right, I'm mashing.
They're very difficult to work with sometimes. Just make sure you're working on a very flat surface. You don't want them to roll on you, and you can feel free to peel them just like that.
Okay.
If you're using it in two different recipes, cut it in half. I think you can blanch these whole, just like this.
I like that idea.
And take them out, and then you can just dice them up.
Okay.
This is what's called a power blend.
Nice.
I got
And
a lot
what's
of
included in the
pepper
power
flake.
blend?
It has turnip greens, has spinach, and it has kale in it.
So you can use the
nice.
greens from the turnip. And what are some nutritional values of turnips?
Well, you're going to get some important vitamins. You're going to get your potassium. You're going to get vitamin C. It's also a nice source of fiber. And so really little babies could get a little bit gassy with that, but older kids need something to kind of help their digestive system move. And so it's a great way, if your child's having that problem, to use some turnips in their diet.
I have some pancake mix already made, and we'll start making our pancakes. Okay?
So just take a
So
little
they're like
spoonful.
potato pancakes, just added in.
But instead of just a plain starch without the benefit, you sneak it in. They don't even know what's in there.
Now that you have your finished mash,
Add
let's
the
go
other.
ahead and fold in your flour, your egg, however much cheese you like to use. It's really just an added thing to give a little flavor to it. You can see our pancakes are looking great.
They really are.
Tilt away from yourself just so you don't burn. Look at that, you get nice pancakes.
Oh, nice and golden brown.
So let those finish up. The only thing you're really cooking in here is the egg.
And it looks so nice with all the different
Yeah,
colors
it's so
in it.
beautiful, yeah.
I think when food looks good, people are, children, families, people are more likely to eat it if it just has that nice appearance.
Typically,
I mean, your kids could eat this meal too.
Oh, absolutely.
you would typically make this with potatoes, but the fact that we add the turnips really gives it something special.
Right, this isn't just
Nice
for the adults,
earthiness
for
to
sure.
it. And we got our pancakes. They look great. They came out really nice. Like I said, you can top it with a little Parmesan cheese. You can top it with a little cheese for your kids.
Gorgeous. Let's try the potato pancakes first. They do look great.
Really tasty.
I'm getting so
Really good.
You wouldn't even know turnip
Chopped
were in there,
creamy.
No,
would
you wouldn't, nor will your child.
This
Oh,
looks
yeah.
great. I know it's going to be awesome. So let's stay right
Okay.
there. Really good.
That's really nice. Flavorful.